How can I lower the volume of my USB headphones? Yes, I really am asking how to turn down the volume. But first, some more detail. My headphones are this URL. They are really loud. I usually have to keep them on the lowest setting. If the source material is louder than average, I have to lower the output volume in the player software. Is there a way to adjust the Windows 7 volume settings so that my normal listening volume is around 50% instead?
This is really interesting. I had the same problem also, with a Trust USB headset for Mac, which obviously works well with Windows and other OS also. It was really frustrating, only level 1 and 2 was at all usable with the headset. This posting solved the issue for me, this URL. Quoting the posting by Mboblu62. I had the same problem with Windows 7. Here's how I got around it. I know this is counterintuitive, but go to the volume mixer. Set the volume of the USB speaker to 100%. Set the volume of your source application, for example, Media Center Extensibility Host, Windows Media Center, to a comfortable level. This means that you have to set the volume individually for all applications you use that produce sound, which can be a bit of a pain, if they are many, but so far, this is the only working to the solution that I've been able to locate, and for me this is quite acceptable. Hopefully, Microsoft will improve the generic USB audio driver in the future to make it possible to lower the scale for the master volumes somehow. This is for now a quirk, but it works. Smile?
I had the same issue, that a setting in GT, 2% would make my head explode. Like you, I couldn't find a proper solution to this problem. But the solution is here, now. I found this thread where op links to a program called Equalizer Apple which can turn down your volume. I can now turn up my headset to 100% and comfortably listen to music at this setting. Fixing this is pretty simple thanks to a handy little utility called Equalizer Apple. Download it here, this URL. After you download, you are going to want to run the installer. At some point it will ask you to select which devices you want to use the equalizer on. Select your headphones now. Let the install finish, then reboot. After you reboot, open the file. C:\program files /equalizer appo /config.txt. Delete the contents and replace it with. You may change the value to match your preference however you like. As soon as you save the file, your output will be adjusted. I picked -12 because some games were too quiet at -15 or -20, but music was too loud at -10.
I have had the same problem in Windows 7 of 2% on the speakers settings, both options being too loud on the lowest level volume control, on headphones too. So I opened the sounds options on the bottom right, where it says an NBSP, applications, and just underneath it says system sound. I moved this to 100% and then lowered my headphone volume down with the adjuster that came with it. That gave me a much lower sound like I wanted for the game I was playing.
I have alternative way to solve this. You can use equalizer and turn down all the equalizer things, under 0, then your volume should be lower.
you want to support that channel, please consider subscribing.